Let's see if David is through with the other two. It looked like the bomb hit Fifi's, but it must have been one of the Airdrome's patented tunneling bombs. It found its target right at the sausage burst. Pass number 1 complete. The bombing aircraft setting up for another run. The Baron still has his clutches on Trudy. Nobody seems to be able to come to her aid. Here comes the red bomb. Lining up, bombs away. Right on the tail. Hopefully there are no prisoners who can now escape in the chaos. There's the fire department down at the end of the field being absolutely useless. There's once again putting Trudy in the outhouse. This is the former direct hit by the lead on their sausage burst. I don't know, I don't think that sausage factory can take much more pounding. I think the Baron's been developing what he calls Hindenburg Bratwurst. I'd hate to see what would happen if they took a direct hit to the Bratwurst line. There's the boom off. Right on there, bad boys. Trudy is free once again. Big for the fire truck. Hop in the back. Something. Jump in the back. So much for Rhinebeck's finest. Here comes the red bombs again. Let's hope he drops this bomb straight on the Baron. Right on the sausage factory. Once again, must have been another tunneling bomb. Wait, you guys see what I see? I think the Hindenburg Bratwurst has been released. The Hindenburg Bratwurst line has been hit directly. Luckily, it didn't explode. There is the fleet, another bomb away. Directed on Madame Fifi's, that poor lingerie shop now has taken 2 hits today. And bringing up the rear, the blue 1943 Tiger Hawk. That looks like it's going to be one. Oh, right on the Hotel Perry. I think these bombs must split in half as they fall. One half is something that explodes, and the other half is a lot easier to see. That's what I'm going to go with.